All right, so this process of factoring a trinomial like this is essentially like a reverse operation of double distribution, we call foiling sometimes, where we have two binomials, right? So if we had like an x plus 2 and the x plus 5 here, multiply the product of these two binomials, which have two terms each, 1, 2, 1, 2. We'd multiply it out, and we'd come up with some trinomial blank x squared plus blank plus blank. Now this could be a plus or a minus here, this could be a plus or a minus there as well. So what we're doing is we're doing the reverse operation to get it back into a factored form. This product of two binomials is the factored form, x plus 2 times x plus 5. So there's many different ways to do it. Something like this, you're going to find that the easiest way to do it when there's a leading coefficient of 1, it's a quick and fast way, is to find factors of 99 that add to 20. And those are going to complete our factorization here. So in the first spot for each binomial, there's only one way that we can get x squared, and that's having an x here and an x here. So we know that that has to be true. And then we just start listing factors of 99 that we know. And thankfully, there's not too many of them. I mean, we start to go through this, we say, well, I know 1 times 99 is 99, but when I add 1 plus 99 together to get this middle term of 20 right here, which is what I'm going to need to do, that's going to be 100. So that's not going to work. And then I say, well, what about 3 and 33? Well, that adds to 36. So that's not going to work. 99 is an interesting one because I can go 11. About 11 and 9. 9 times 11 works to be 99, and then 9 plus 11 is going to give me that middle term of 20. The reason this works out, and what I do with these two, once I find the factors of 99 that add to this middle term 20 here, I just put them right here, plus 9, plus 11. Sometimes they will be negative, and I'll kind of go into that at the end here, just show you how that could happen. But what happens here is when I FOIL this out, and you do not need to do this for this problem, x times x gives me x squared, x times 11, 11x, 9 times x gives me 9x, and 9 times 11 gives me 99. So what you'll find is when you combine these middle two terms here, it becomes x squared plus 20x plus 99, which is what we started with. That's that initial problem that we started with here. So I'll type in the answer there just to make sure I didn't do something incorrect. And just to show you how to do it, you do parentheses x plus 9, and then in parentheses, and then parentheses again, x plus 11, in parentheses, press enter, and you have it. Now let's say that instead of x squared plus 20x plus 99, you had x squared minus 20x plus 99. This one's a tiny bit different when we factor it, just because we know that it factors to be 9 and 11, but 9 plus 11 is positive 22, but we know negative 9 times negative 11 also multiply to be positive 99. So in this case, you'd have x minus 9 and x minus 11 as your factored binomials or your factored linear terms multiplied together to be your trinomial, which is 3 terms. All right, hope this helps. Let me know if you have other questions.